is Riley, and I'm here to talk about the big Coast Guard helicopter set 60013. And there is some play features which you can spin rotors, which are the ones that are at the front and the back. And you can lift that up and down, and that can go down like that and then up like that. Alright, let's get into the minifigures. Here's our first minifigure. And he's on this. And I think I put him here. And our second minifigure is this girl. And she's holding a walkie-talkie, and she has a life jacket on, which I'll take the life jacket off so you can see the clothing. And there's the clothing. There's the clothing. And there is two more minifigures that I really need to show you. And you do get the portable headphones, which they do come off. And there's a little hole in the cup that you can see there. And let's get into our third minifigure. Right, and here's another minifigure, and basically he has a flippers, you can see there. And there's a bit that you might not know in other sets, which I'm trying to get to now, but this minifigure keeps breaking apart. And here is our air tank, which is a new thing of Lego. And there is one more minifigure that I need to show you. And here's our fourth minifigure. That's our last minifigure. And he does have the shields. And these jackets are new to Lego as well. And it has back printing. And all of them have back printing. And so let's get into the helicopter. And here is our helicopter. It does have you can take the top off, which you can see there, and it has a double window which is connected. Okay, so don't put one window then put another window. They're just all in one. And that piece that you can see there is one piece. It generally goes to the top, but it's actually at the bottom. And there's another bit at the top that you connect together with. And you can put it on the ground and move it along the ground. Alright. And when I build it, you have to put sort of motor things in these, which I'll take one off for you. And as you can see there, it's got something in it. And you do get this big piece. It's more like a star shape. And there's this blue thing, which you connect from one thing to another thing. And we do have a hole through here that you can see. And let's get into our shark. Just a minute. Right, and out here is our shark, which you can see there. And the mouth can come off, which you simply put on in the set. Which you can just click that on, and it can open. Alright. What? And the shark is white. And here's the bottom view. And now we can show you all the bottoms, and that is bottom view. Alright, one more bottom view, which is this bottom view. Alright. We're done for now, and goodbye.